Sainam, dear children, wish you a very good morning and I hope you all are well. So children, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 16, My House. Before we start the chapter, let's do prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes and start. Om. Sai Ram. We will start the chapter. My name is Nasim. I live in Srinagar. So a boy's name is Nasim and he is living in Srinagar. So children, where is Srinagar? Srinagar is the capital of Jammu Kashmir. Okay. So it is in the state, now it is in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. Since yesterday there is a lot of activity in our school. Now this boy is saying that yesterday there was lots of activity in their school. It will go on for a week and for a week it will be continued. Do you know why? Why this is so? There is a camp being held in our school. So in the same school a camp is going on for 1 week and activities will be continued for 1 week. Children have come from many places for the camp and from many places and many other schools children are came for the camp. Tent have been put up in the ground for everyone to stay and there is a facility of tent houses for everyone is there to stay. Okay, you can see like this tent facility, okay, in this campus. We have decorated the school beautifully and some children have used pieces of cloth to make streamers of the door. So they decorated the school and some children make pieces of clothes to make streamers. Means for door streamers they use clothes. Okay. Some have made posters using almond shells and with others have made while others have made rangolis using dry leaves and sawdust. Okay, they use waste materials, okay, to make some new things like almond shells they use for making poster and they made rangolis from the dry leaves and sawdust. Okay, so best from the waste they have used. Okay, today is the first day of the camp and we are very happy. In the morning we all got together and sat down on the ground in a circle. So आज उनके कैंप का फर्स्ट डे है, वो लोग सब ग्राउंड पे बैठे हैं और सब लोग एक साथ बैठे हैं, वो लोग बहुत खुश हैं. ईच ऑफ अस इंट्रोड्यूस्ड अवर सेल्फ, स्पोक about where we came from and what we like to eat. Okay, now these children are talking to each other that from which school and from which area they came and what did they like to eat. Okay, children brought pictures of their families and their homes and they brought pictures of their families and their home, that how many members are there, who is their father, brother and sister. Okay, everyone spoke about their homes. Bhupen group was the first to talk. Okay, everyone is discussing about their families and homes and Bhupen's group was first to talk. So a boy is named Bhupen, his group is talking, discuss. Bhupen introduced himself and said, what care has to be taken by those who are living in a house made up of bamboo or wood? So he is saying, जो लोग बैम्बू और वुड हाउस में रहते हैं उनको क्या ध्यान रखना चाहिए. So I have came from Molan village in Assam. Then Bhupen is saying, I am coming from Molan village in Assam. He is from Assam and it rains heavily in our place and there is heavy rainfall in Assam. Hence our houses are made up of 10 to 12 feet above the ground. और उनके houses कैसे होते हैं, ज़मीन से 10-12 फीट ऊंचे होते हैं. They are made on strong bamboo pillars and inside our houses are also made of wood. Bamboo pillar के ऊपर उनके houses होते हैं, look like this and inside they use wood to make their houses. These things Bhupen tell everyone about their houses. Okay. So now activity is there. Why are houses made on bamboo pillar where Bhupen lives due to heavy rainfall? So that day water can pass easily in between from the bamboos. Okay, then what kind of roofs do Bhupen's house have, and why are they made like this? Their roofs are slanting roofs. Okay, slanting means ऐसे स्लाइड की तरह, ताकि उन पे पानी ना ठहरे और सीधा नीचे आ जाए. How does one enter the house? One will enter the house by stairs made by bamboo and wood. At night the ladder is removed from Bhupen's house. Can you tell why? रात को ladder हटा दिया जाता है ताकि कोई और ना आ सके. Okay, so that no one else other than from their family can enter the house. What are the difficulties faced in the making stone houses? Stone houses are costly first of all. Okay, and according to the climatic condition and the hilly region in which they are living, it is impossible or it is hard to make stone houses. Okay, now it's Chameli's turn, she said. Now Chameli will tell in what kind of houses she is living. So about Chameli and rest thing we will discuss in our next video. Please watch the video 2 to 3 times and please complete your pending homework. Okay, don't let it pending, just complete it, and maybe exams will be there very soon, so please ready with your homework. Okay.